Are you cold? Are you cold? Are you cold?
Go up to the house.
Go up to the house because you're cold. I don't know if y'all just caught that. That rooster is new for us. Somebody gave us that rooster a couple days ago, and so as I was putting that hanging that water back up, he came at me. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. That's funny. Go back and look at that thing again. That was pretty funny. He seems harmless. I think he'll be able to stay here, but that was funny. Woo! Well, we just moved the cows and I count 7 calves. I remember we're supposed to have 8 calves, so I only see 7. I'm gonna count one more time. I just spotted the calf. Let's see if I can zoom in to find him. There he is, way over there. See that? So he was laying down probably somewhere when we moved the cows, and so he's trying to come back to mama. So the best thing I'm gonna do is just try to let him come back on his own. You see him way over there, and he should be way over here with these cows. Alright, it's just handling calves is important. You just got to be careful. You don't want them to freak out because they start running. You don't want them to be running. If you can just walk them gently like we're doing right now, it's much easier. Once they start running, they get crazy. You don't want cows running usually when you're trying to move them. So let's see if we can get him to go. He's got to go right back through that gate right there. Is where he's got to go. Let's go, calf. Let's get up. Let's get up, calf. Let's go. Hey, come on. Pressure. Applying pressure at the right points. For those of you who handle cows, you know what I'm talking about. It's an art, really, to figure out how to move cows. Applying pressure and angles is very, very important, that you're at the right angle. Because you want to kind of cut off his flight zone. But now you see this calf is getting over here where he can see the gate, see another cow. So once I get in close to it, I like to kind of ease him on in there, but apply a little bit of pressure, get him to go in there, and there he goes. He's in. Let's see, it's that easy. Now we got to get this. Come on, calf, get back out of here. Come on, come on. There you go. All of them are in now, and that must be mama coming to look for calf. So everybody's in. Well, getting that calf back in there, that went exactly like it's supposed to go. I'll tell you that. For those of you who handle cows, you understand what I'm dealing with here. But that one went perfect. That went perfect. I wish I could say that all of them went that way or went that well. It's not always the case, but that one went just like we wanted it to.